In today's video, I'm going to solve that problem of how to choose your perfect red lipstick color. I'm 58 and absolutely love to wear red lipstick. Age is not a barrier in wearing bold lip colors. I'm going to show you the 5 simple tips on how to choose your perfect red to get that magical skin glow that comes from wearing your perfect red shade. So many people say to me, Sheena, I can't wear red lipstick. Yes, you can. Everyone can wear a red lipstick. And as mentioned, certainly age shouldn't hold you back. The trick is how to choose the right red lipstick for your skin tone. So let's crack into it, and later in the video I'm going to show you how to apply red lipstick for a flawless finish that will last you all night long. So here are the 5 simple tips to choosing your perfect red lipstick. Step 1 is to be completely makeup free, as I am here. This ensures that foundation or other makeup isn't distorting your natural skin color. Step 2 is just to pull your hair back off your face. Many of us color our hair, so we need to pull our hair away from our face so that it doesn't influence the outcome. Step 3 is to sit in front of a natural light source, as I am. I'm sitting in front of a window. Just be careful if your windows are tinted because it will reflect on your face and could influence the outcome. Step 4 is to wear a neutral color, as I am now, and keep it away from your face. That's because the color you wear reflects onto your skin, so it's important for this purpose that you wear a neutral color. Okay, step 5 is the fun part. It's to try the lipsticks. Now I'm going to try various shades from cooler reds, which have a blue undertone, moving through to warmer reds. And what you'll see is that the right red lipstick will make my eyes and cheeks look brighter. Now the lipsticks I'm going to try are actually from my makeup drawer. You will see from this exercise that I will probably need to throw some of these lipsticks out. But if you're wanting to choose a new lipstick, go into store, ask them to put a little bit into a pot for you so you can go home and try the lipstick using this method. Now the first lipstick I'm going to apply is a cool red. It is from Dior. Okay, what do you think? I'm not feeling this lipstick at all. It's got too much blue in it for me and does absolutely nothing for my complexion. So the next lipstick I'm going to try is from Lancome. It is a slightly warmer red. So what do you think? I would call this probably a clear red, which means it's sitting right in between being a warm and cool red. I don't mind it, but I don't know whether it's really giving me that beautiful skin glow that I'm looking for. So let's try the others and see what really works for me. Okay, I'm going to change it up now to a more orangey red. This one is from Beauty. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, this one I don't mind. It's kind of giving my face more of a lift. It's not draining my face of color. Okay, I'm going to change it up now and I'm going to apply a more orangey tone. Let's see if this works for me. This is a really old Revlon red lipstick. It's discontinued, but it has been one of my favorites. But have I been wearing the right red lipstick all these years? So what do you think of this? I feel really good in this lip color. I feel that it works with my skin tone and my eyes. It just makes me feel good. And lastly, I'm going to apply a very warm red lipstick. So it's got a lot of an orange undertone. Let's see how this one works. So also a warm red on me. What do you think of this one compared to the one before? Probably I prefer the one before. It just made me feel better. The right red lipstick makes your eyes and cheeks look brighter. Here is a super quick tutorial that will show you how to apply your red lipstick for a flawless finish that will last. Step 1 is to exfoliate your lips. Now, quite often the best way to do that is to just use your toothbrush, a soft toothbrush across your lips. My lips are already well exfoliated because I've just applied 5 red lipsticks in a row and had to remove them. Next, use a lip primer. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. This helps to smooth the lips and will help to reduce any feathering. If you have a favorite lip primer, please let me know in comments because I'm always interested in trying a new beauty product. Next, line your lips using a lip liner color that is very close to the lipstick shade that you're going to wear. I'm using a lip liner from Hourglass and the color is called Raven. Then you simply fill in the entire lip with a lip liner. Next, you apply the lipstick and you work that in using a brush or your finger. Then blot that with a tissue. Reapply a second coat of lipstick by pressing that lipstick onto your lips. Then you just blot this again and finish with a light dusting of translucent powder. So I'm going to use a loose powder. This is from Laura Mercier, and for this purpose, because I don't want to get red lipstick over a brush, I'm going to use a little cotton pad. And then you add a final dab of red lipstick, and there you go. Red lipstick is just so sexy, and it transforms any makeup look or any outfit. I like to wear my red lipstick with minimal eye makeup because it gives a fresher appearance. And if you found this video useful, please check out my other makeup tutorials on how to apply blusher in the correct position for an anti-aging effect, makeup for hooded eyes, and how to hide large pores in seconds. These tutorials are all full of beauty tips for women over 50, and all of these videos are linked in the description below for you. Please let me know if you find your perfect red lipstick using this method I've shown you in the video today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.